right, and boom, we are in Monterey, California, just like that. We just landed. We got the rental car already here, Tesla. I don't know how I'm gonna like this, so we're gonna see. But anyway, it's gonna get us around. I think I'm gonna head to our Airbnb, link up with everybody, and get the trip started. First time in California, I'm excited, so let's get to it. I've been sitting in traffic for 20 minutes. Yikes. Monterey, you gotta figure that out. And I'm a mile away from the Airbnb. This is just not a good way to start, but it's all right. All right, we made it somewhere. I think we made it. Let's see. Hello, Mr. Gio.
Your destination is on the right.
Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. Hybrid boys. There's no mic. This is the FX3.
Whoa.
Yeah. Say hello, Gio.
What's up? What is this for Owen Garso Media?
Yep. Nice little crib here. I like it.
Yeah, check out the backyard.
Backyard.
Yeah, small.
Yeah, that's not what I was expecting. Nice. Mating.
Get ready.
All right. We're gonna go get some food.
Can't see you.
Back up.
Okay, so yeah, he's gonna slide the gate and let you in.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a black Ferrari. Yeah. I got you for sure. Thank you, bro. Yeah, you're good. Cops are very cool.
I have a gift for you. Here, what happened? It's for you. It came off? No, it's a new company I've been working on. Look at the one I have on now. Yeah, that's the one we took off. I know, and I took yours off. Shitty ass lab plate.
Dead ass.
Ferrari
oh,
owner,
you're making Gio work, dude.
Ferrari owner doing manual labor. Look at that right there.
Not with the Louis V's.
What's he got?
Oh, that's bro bag. I'll put the link right here. Well, this may be the first time that someone's gotten their car washed on Ocean Drive, and of course it's Keller and Wildcat. In-N-Out is absolutely jamming right now. We got Gio's car, Austin, Valtronic owner, Alex Choi. We got a GT3 RS, STO from Wildcat, 720S, a lot of cars. Austin's right there, he's dancing. Austin? Dance, Austin, dance. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, day 2. Everybody just got their car washed. I don't know what we're doing today, but we're gonna find out. What's up? Hey, you're vlogging this trip too, kind of. I am vlogging. What's up?
Oh, is this for the personal channel?
Yeah. I figured I'll do a little something like that. Yeah, it's not gonna be much.
I
but...
did the same thing. So I have like 160 clips so far.
Yeah? Hell yeah. What do you got over there?
It's moving around inside.
620R? I've never even known this one. I like the livery on this.
Thank you.
It's cool.
If we can't park, can't get in. We'll find out. We'll figure it out.
Stop at a gas station. I want food. Hey, you got it in your GPS?
Huh?
Do you have it in your GPS?
No.
Do you know where you're going?
I'll figure it out.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, I'll see you then.
Bye.
Hello.
Hey, get in your car.
Huh?
Get in your car.
Where are we headed?
We're gonna go to 17 Mile.
Okay. Are you going to that rock?
Rock.
There's like a big rock.
Is that at Pebble Beach?
I think so.
Then probably.
Can you?
Damn.
You want to share me your location or send me where you're going?
I don't know what the address is, but put in 17 Mile Drive.
Okay.
Attaboy.
Well, I mean, everybody else has gotten pulled over like at least once this weekend.
I guess
So,
so.
I mean, it's not like unexpected. It was unexpected.
It was
the way it happened.
no, it was so unexpected.
But
We literally, right once we got on the left lane,
it was.
she was head on with
it. It
us.
was bound to
I thought we were gonna
happen.
have a head-on collision because of her. It was her fault.
I don't know what she did.
Crazy. That's annoying though.
I don't know what.
We've been sitting here for like 10 minutes now. She said nothing. Nothing.
I mean, they're talking back there.
What do? You have no idea. Hey, when a cop blocks you in from the front, it means you're pretty fucked.
It's alright. Alright guys, day 3, final day. Late start today, it's already noon here at least. But we are going to shoot this nice car right here. I think we're going to Pebble Beach and Big Sur. So you'll see some of that in this vlog as well.
This is cool. I almost want to like take a picture with my car right here, but
Look at all the trees. Cool. SF90 looks very cool. I think we're going to go down to Big Sur now, which is about 30 minutes from here. I think it's a little bit better views and shoot a little bit more of that thing. Mr. Paul, what up? I was like, oh, it had to be Paul with the camera.
bro, you must be dying on that thing.
Dude, that road is fun.
Yeah.
It's a lot of fun.
Minus the traffic. Where are you going?
Wherever everybody else is going.
Fair
On
enough.
the ocean.
And unfortunately, that is where the vlog is ending, because after that, my camera died and nothing really happened. We went to Ocean, we got some lunch, we hung out with that crew. And after that, it was pretty much, we went back, took a nap at our place. Didn't even get a dinner. We just went to a party for, you know, honestly like a half an hour. And then we were done. We had to get up for like 3 in the morning. So we figured we're just pulling an all-nighter. We both had to get home. So it was a long day of travel after that. But anyways, I mean, it was a different type of vlog. It wasn't like me picking up the camera talking to it all the time. I was just kind of documenting my point of view of this entire trip. It was my first time in California and it was a great time. I enjoyed Monterey a ton. Now going to Monterey as a creator is awesome. It really is. I mean, every block you turn, there was somebody with a phone out or a camera out, and I love seeing those, you know, young, driven, passionate creators that are trying to get into the scene, or if they are, then they were all there. They were shooting around with some awesome people, and it was great to see. As a, you know, person that owns a very nice car like Gio does, it's definitely a cool experience because it's honestly like Forza in real life. So I've never really experienced something like it. I definitely will want to go back, and I think I will go back planning a lot more, number one, because, you know, a lot of the parties that are happening, you have to kind of have an in with them. Some of the events during the day, like obviously they're all free and you could, you know, go and do what you want to do. But at night when the parties come around, it's a little bit harder to get into, and it's not like, you know, you could just walk up to it. You got to know some people, you got to have a name on a list. But other than that, I'd probably want to shoot around a lot more and plan that and make sure I get the content that I want. But yeah, we met some cool people. We met up with some people that we already knew, and it was just good vibes and good energy all around. So I cannot complain about this trip. The travel home was tiring, but at the end of the day, it was all worth it. And we have this vlog to remember the entire trip from. So that is mainly why I did it, and I wanted to give kind of a glimpse of what my experience this was as a first timer going to Monterey Car Week. So that is a wrap on this vlog. I'm only going to do vlogs when it feels right to do a vlog. I'm not going to force myself to do a vlog. They're enjoyable to do. I did one for an RWB shoot. I did one for Monterey now. I'm sure something in the future or in the next coming weeks that I want to vlog will be happening. So anyways, with that said, that is a wrap on my Monterey Car Week. So I hope you enjoyed watching this POV view of my take on it all and view of my experience of Monterey. If you did like it, hit the like button. If you do want to see more, hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications as well. With that said, thank you for watching. I will see you guys in whatever next video it is, either an edit or a vlog. Thanks. Peace.